Hi class, good morning. Linking. When we say a sentence in English, we join linking word to each other. Because of this linking, the word is a sentence do not word sound the same as we will say in individually. Linking is very important in English. There are basically two main types of linking: consonant vowel, vowel and consonant for linking. Consonant vowel. Willing word ending with a consonant sound to word beginning with a vowel sound. Consonant vowel. Willing word ending with a vowel sound to word beginning with a vocal sound. A vowel sound. Vowel and consonant for linking. To understand linking, it's important to know the difference between vowel sound and consonant sound. For example, the word payan with the consonant letter with the vowel sound up. However, for tomorrow, the linking class linking verb, the 15th class. Thank you.